We're live at the Heritage Machine Works on a historic day for the works. We are going to start with the picture of the power plant, our cordless valve steam engine. But that's not the focus of the day. We're going to follow our line shafting to the power, our cross belt to what's known as the rear shaft, to the newest piece, our historic 1880s engine lathe. It's a Lathe and Company, manufactured in 1885. We have a large pulley with an idle wheel hooked to the counter shaft. When the counter shaft engages the clutch, we will engage the clutch and in turn turn the belt on, and our machine was donated by the Lund family of Muskegon, Michigan. It is fully operational. We'll jam the gear in. This in turn runs the power feed in terms of the whole wheel. We'll step back here a touch more so you can see our sign. There you go. Again, one more piece of industrial history preserved at the Muskegon Heritage Museum's Heritage Machine Works. Come see us.